In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moomoo Desktop. This platform lets you trade stocks, ETFs, and options with advanced charts, live market data, and powerful tools. We'll go from installation to building watch lists, analyzing charts, placing trades, practicing in paper mode, and customizing your workspace so everything feels intuitive from day one. Start by downloading and installing the desktop app from the official Moomoo website. Choose the Windows or Mac version, run the installer, and open the program when it's done. Log in with your existing Moomoo account. The same credentials you use on mobile will work here. Make sure you're on the official site, follow the prompts, and you'll land on the main dashboard in seconds. The interface is organized into three main areas. On the left, the panel is your navigation hub, giving you quick access to watch list, markets, news, paper trading, and algo trading. In the center, you'll find the core workspace, interactive stock charts, technical indicators, price history, and company financials. On the right, you'll see real-time quotes, the order book, recent transactions, plus relevant news and analysis for the symbol you've selected. Resize panels to prioritize what matters most to you. Create your first watch list to track symbols you care about. Click Watch List, search for a stock, for example, TSLA or AAPL, and click the heart icon to add it. Build multiple lists for different themes like tech, AI, or day trading, and rename them to stay organized. You can reorder symbols and quickly add more as opportunities come up. Next, analyze the chart. Moomoo includes a wide range of indicators and drawing tools, so you can layer on moving averages, RSI, MACD, and volume, then adjust timeframes to match your strategy. Add trend lines or annotations to mark key levels. If you like monitoring several names simultaneously, display multiple charts on one screen and arrange them in a grid for faster scanning. When you're ready to trade, select a stock and click the Trade button at the top right. Choose your order type, market, limit, stop, or trailing stop, then enter your price and quantity. Review the details, including the estimated cost, and click Buy or Sell to submit. Market orders aim to fill quickly, while limit and stop orders give you more control over execution. If you want to practice first, open Paper or Paperfolio to use a paper trading account. You'll trade with virtual money in a live market environment, which is perfect for learning the tools and testing ideas without risking real capital. Finally, tailor your workspace. Switch between light and dark themes. Create custom layouts that keep key panels visible, and set hotkeys for faster navigation and order entry. If you use multiple monitors, dedicate one to charts and another to watch lists and news for a clear, streamlined view. That's it. Now you're ready to explore Moomoo Desktop with confidence and build a workflow that fits your trading style.